How to fix 100% disk uses on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if some app or website is using up 100% of your disk, then I will show you how to free it up. You need to go to your task manager and then go to the process tab on the left hand side. There you'll find disk, so just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will sort by the app that is using up the most disk space right now. So if there is an app that you don't use or that is using up too much disk, then you can just go to the app and then you can right click on it, and then you can end the task. So once you end the task, it will stop using up the space. So if you want to like uninstall the app, then you can also go ahead and uninstall it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.